In front of me I have CUBOT R15 and I'm gonna show you how to change a wallpaper on this device. First, let's swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu. Here let's tap on settings. Now let's tap on display. Here let's tap on wallpaper. Now select one of the folders, for example wallpapers. And right here on the bottom we can scroll through the wallpapers and choose one from the list. For example this one. Then let's tap set wallpaper. And lastly we need to choose where do we want to set the wallpaper on. Home screen, lock screen, or home screen and lock screen. Let's choose the home screen. And now let's go back to the home screen and see if the wallpaper changed. And as you can see, it did. And there's also a quicker method to do that, which is from the home screen, we just touch and hold, then tap the wallpapers. Here select one of the folders again. Let's go back. Then let's tap wallpapers again and just once. And again we can choose the wallpaper from the list. For example this one. And tap set wallpaper. Again home screen. And boom. That should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.